I was just sent this IPL hair removal device, so I want to show you what came inside the box and how to use it. So you're going to get this. There's also a wall cord so you can plug it into an outlet, and then it comes with a razor. That's kind of important if you don't have one already. And then you also get these safety glasses and then like a little cleaning cloth for them. Plus, this little guide is really cool. This goes and shows you kind of pick out your skin tone. So mine's the brown light, and then you pick out your hair color, and then that tells you how much intensity to use on it. So I'm gonna do my arm hairs. Those are actually pretty blonde. So I'm gonna go ahead and go there, and I'm a 4 to 5 on that. Now, if you check this out and you do not have the right things, there's an X, that means it's not gonna work for you. So definitely read all the description because you wanna make sure this is gonna work. Now on my legs, the hair is black, so that's down there. Couple things too, read all the safety precautions. There's a lot of safety precautions, so make sure you read those before you get this because I wanna make sure it's gonna be right for you. All right, so now we're kind of ready. So we're gonna put on our little safety glasses. Whoa, everything just turned kind of green in my world here. So I did shave this little area here for our demo. There's our on button. So it's ready to go. And if you touch the button a few times, you can get the level up. So I want to be a level 4 to 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at level 4. Now you will do this once a week for about 8 weeks. And then you can go into a maintenance phase of every 2 to 3 weeks. But to see results, you have to keep doing it. Okay, so then once we're ready, you touch it to the skin and the light thing turns green. And then there's 2 ways of doing it. So click, that's the stamp method, and then you could like lift it up. So let's say you're doing your knee or something like that, you would do the stamp method. Or you can glide. So I'm doing the glide method right now. You hold that button 3 seconds, and then you just glide it through the area. So that's really good for like a larger area. Okay, so that's just a little demo. I mean, I just did this little space right here. You could do your entire legs, your underarms, your arms, basically face, it has to be cheekbone down, and then men, shoulders down. So you do want to read again all the safety precautions that come with this. But if you're looking to get rid of stubble forever, because who wants that, right? If you're looking to get rid of like that spiky legs on your hair forever, because who wants that? This is really cool, so you definitely should check it out.